Hi, I'm Alec. I'm a rising junior at Saratoga High School, and this is the second milestone of my Core XY 3D printer. I chose this project because I like to 3D print a lot of things at home, and I thought that it would be cool to design my own 3D printer. And basically how a Core XY 3D printer works is that there's two motors here controlling two belts, and if the motors spin in opposite directions, the carriage moves side to side. If they spin in opposite directions, it moves forward and backwards. And my z-axis is also belted, as you can see here. So all the wiring goes into this microcontroller board, the SKR Mini V3, and that's connected to a Raspberry Pi, which runs a firmware called Clipper, and that allows the microcontroller board to send current to all these motors and thermistors to make the 3D printer work. A challenge I faced while building this was tolerances, because in my CAD, I forgot to CAD for tolerances, and I had a lot of spacing issues. And also, I failed to plan out this bottom frame very well because I forgot to check the CAD file for my controller board. So the holes are off, and therefore I can't mount this. So that was an issue. And another issue with tolerances was that these rods, sometimes I would make the tolerances too small, so I wouldn't be able to fit the rods in. And sometimes they would be too large, so I couldn't, or the rods would be like moving freely around, so it would fall apart, and that was bad. And for what's next, my Milestone 3 will be getting a print to work on this printer, and hopefully some modifications can include an enclosure or a camera